Good to have you with us. You know, next month will mark a year since the ceremonial groundbreaking at the Jean Leahy Mall. If you've been downtown, it's hard to miss the changes. So how is it all going? How is that project shaping up? Christina Engdahl with Mecca is with us to fill us in on how things are going and kind of where we go from here. Hi, Christina. Welcome.
Thanks, James. Yeah, you're right. It's been quite the year, and it's amazing how much of a difference that a year can make. We've been monitoring all the progress via progress cameras that we have throughout the Jean Leahy Mall, as well as Heartland of America, and I brought some before and after pictures to share with you. Well, this is the most updated picture from January 8th. You can see that the mall is approaching street level. We were beginning 13th Street bridge removal at that time. And the way we went about that was, I guess in layman's terms, piece by piece. You start on either end, and then you start to take out the deck, which is the top part of the bridge.
I always wonder how they do the things that they do.
It really is, with a lot of patience, I think, as well, too.
So now, folks, you remember what the Jean Leahy Mall looked like.
Right, yeah. This is the Jean Leahy Mall that a lot of people still, remember to this day. That picture was taken April 10th, 2019. And that was right at the start of construction. So yeah, it really has been amazing to see how it's kind of evolved. So I got some milestones for what we've gotten done so far. Parts of Jean Leahy Mall that will be at grade or nearing completion, but we did need to leave a few inches below what would be street grade because you need some depth for planting, trees, shrubs, stuff of that nature.
Sure.
We completed a round of utility work on Douglas Street. All those lanes reopened at the start of January, and demolition is continuing on the east side of Jean Leahy Mall. But additionally, we've also closed Heartland of America Park. You might remember I have the latest progress photo from that as well. That's from January 8th. Where you can see the work that's happening
and
just on the side.
How's things been going? Any kind of like hiccups, anything like that?
The only hiccup really to report, as always, with an outdoor project is weather. So we're at the mercy of Mother Nature. December had lots and lots of rain, but we've had a really patient and really understanding downtown business community who's been happy to be along with the ride, and we're thankful that they've been so supportive all along the way. So yep, Heartland of America Park progress right now is early work demolition, erosion control, and it's a good opportunity for us to get a plan in place for spring.
Yeah, and when is the overall completion date for all this? We're still a ways out, right?
Yeah, exactly, like 24 into 25. Yeah. So there's still many years.
A lot of work to do.
There's a lot of work to do, and still lots more transformation to come. But we're off and running, and with the exception of some wet weather getting in the way.
Yeah, and we got to wrap up, Christine, but real quickly, tell us about this, because it's kind of an important
deal. Absolutely. We just announced our financials for fiscal 2018-2019. Overall strong year. Most importantly, though, we announced installation of security traffic barriers. Mostly they're going to look like bollards. They're going to protect pedestrian areas around Mecca's campus. That installation is going to start within the coming weeks and last through 2022, but it's going to be a significant construction project, so we decided that we wanted to let the public know it was happening, and just to also say that we're, of course, always practicing best safety practices around our facilities.
That is important. Christina with Mecca, thank you so much.